Hello everyone, welcome to Code and Learn. So now that we have our TCP server running, it is time to learn about the RESP protocol or the Redis serialization protocol. RESP is a serialization protocol that supports a variety of data types. RESP is really simple to implement, fast to parse, and human readable. RESP is binary safe, and the first byte of any RESP message indicates the data type. The protocol is text-based and uses special terminators, that is \r\n. We also call it carriage return line feed. This terminator is used to separate different parts of a message sent from the client to the server and vice versa. Right now there are two major versions of the RESP protocol, RESP version 2 and RESP version 3. To keep things simple, we are going to use RESP 2 for our project, but it should be really easy to upgrade it to RESP 3 because we will make our code simple to expand. Let us now have a look at the data types. The serialization protocol supports a variety of data types. Clients send commands to the Redis server as an array of bulk strings. The server then replies with one of the supported RESP data types. Please keep in mind that RESP is a binary protocol that uses control sequences encoded in standard ASCII. Here's a breakdown of the main RESP data types and their formats. First we have here is a simple string. A simple string is used for single line responses that don't contain a carriage return or line feed. An example of this is a ping command and a pong response. As you can see, the format for a simple string is as follows. It starts with a plus, which indicates that the data inside the message is a simple string. Here you will have the string and then the terminator, which is \r and \n. Here we have an example. We are sending OK from the server to the client. So we started with a plus to indicate that it is a simple string. Then we have the message, which is OK, and then the terminator. This way you can use the binary data to represent different data types. Next we have the error message. So whenever you want to send the error message, the format should be minus, then the error message and the terminator. So example would be -error unknown command get and then the terminator. Next up, we have an integer value. Integers start with a colon. Then we have the integer value and the terminator. Example here is we are sending 1000 via RESP. So it starts with a colon, then 1000 and then the terminator. Then we have the bulk string. Bulk strings are used for binary safe strings up to 512 megabytes in length. The length is specified first, which allows for fast parsing without needing to scan for special character. So it will start with a $, then the length of the string terminator to tell that the next field is a string up to the length what was specified in the length, and then a terminator again. So example here is $, which tells us that it's a bulk string, then 5 to indicate the number of characters in this string, which is 5. After 5, we have the terminator to tell us the next value is the string itself or the bulk string itself. Then we have another terminator to tell that that's the end of the bulk string. Last, we have the array data type. An array is a collection of other RESP data types. This is the format client uses to send the commands to the server. So it starts with the asterisk, then number of elements in the array, terminator telling that we have an element, then another terminator separating the element 1 from element 2, and then the last one to tell us the end of the array. Here we have an example where we have 3 elements in the array. So we start with asterisk, then 3, terminator. Next up, the first element in the array is a bulk string. So we have $3, which tells us the bulk string has 3 characters. So we have set here, then another bulk string of length 3. Which is key. Then the third and the last element is another value. So a bulk string of 3 and then the end of the array. So this way RESP protocol encodes and decodes the value. This is the basic contract between the client and the server when sending data to and forth. In the next video, we will write some code to decode data that we get from the client and encode data that we want to send from the server to the client in RESP. That's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please post a comment under the video or reach out to our Discord server. Until next time, happy coding.